Hello and welcome to another in our continuing series of brief demonstrations of profile application externalization in the Mars release of the Eclipse Papyrus project. Today we're going to look at a slight redesign in the organization of the resources that store profile applications. Now we'll be able to store profile applications in a UML resource anywhere in the workspace. So this is particularly convenient for managing profile applications in other projects than the UML models to which they're applied, which has potentially interesting source control implications in a system like Git. So again, the same old familiar little example model that we work with. Now let's go and externalize a profile application. And this dialog is now a little bit different. We can choose any resource anywhere in the workspace in which to store a profile application. And by default, we're given some reasonable location in the vicinity of the package that has the profile applied. But let's say we just want to go and put it in this other project over here. So that's good. And we'll hit finish as usual and go save. And voila, now we see here it is. And if we open this in the UML model editor, it looks like any other model. This is the same structure that we saw before, exactly the same. Here's the apply profiles dependency that links the package from the user model with the package in this model that has the applied profiles. Now I can go, if I want to, and initialize a Papyrus model on this UML resource here. If I want to create diagrams or whatever specific to that profile application model. That's not important for our purposes here, but that's something that is entirely possible to do. So, as before, we're able to unload the profile applications from such resources. So I'll select all those to unload. And there our stereotype applications have gone away. Now, the interesting thing about this situation that we have now is how do we find profile applications that are available to load? This is over in some other weird project, apparently completely unrelated. There's no references from these the resources in this project to anything over here. That's the whole point of externalizing these profile applications, that there are no dependencies in this direction, only going the other way back. So the way that works is we now have a workspace-wide index that is built and maintained in the background of all of the profile application resources in the workspace with cross-references to the user model resources that they apply profiles to. So that gives us an efficient way to look up for the selection in the Model Explorer what are all of the available resources that have profile applications anywhere in the workspace that we haven't loaded yet. So I'll go and load that guy. And there our profile applications and our stereotype applications have all come back. So there you have a brief demonstration of arbitrary storage of profile applications in resources anywhere in the workspace. Thank you.